Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that triple plus token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, triple plus is a trade finance infrastructure built on Polygon that enable businesses to access liquidity from the receivables with providing investors with yield opportunities backed by commercial cash flows. Businesses often hold unpaid invoices, purchases orders, and trade documents that have economic value but remain liquid. Small and medium enterprises typically wait 30 to 180 days for payments, creating cash flow constraints. Traditionally, factoring solution involve intermediaries, fees, and approval processes that limit accessibility. Triple Plus operates on a consistent pattern. A business holding a receivable list in on the platform at discount to face value. Investor provide capital by purchasing the receivable. When the payment matures, the investor receives the full face value, earning and spread as yield. Smart contracts handle escrow settlement and distribution. Triple Plus token total supply is 500 million and circulating supply is around 22.69 million TPT token. TPT token is listed on LBank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60%. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.